In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website's visibility using Wix SEO Wiz. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your website's discoverability, these steps will guide you through the essentials of Wix's built-in SEO tool, all within your Chrome browser. First, let's get started by opening Wix SEO Wiz in Chrome. Wix has a user-friendly platform that makes it simple for anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to enhance their web presence. By accessing Wix SEO Wiz, you're stepping into a space designed to help optimize your site efficiently. If you haven't used this tool before, don't worry. It's incredibly intuitive and a great place to begin your SEO journey. Once you've opened Wix SEO Wiz, you'll need to enter some details about your site and outline your target keywords. This step is crucial because it helps tailor the SEO setup specifically to your niche and industry. Choose keywords that not only relate to your content but also reflect what your potential visitors might type into a search engine. The right keywords are your ticket to connecting with your intended audience, so take a moment to research and select them wisely. After you've set up your keywords, you'll find a helpful SEO checklist provided by Wix. This checklist is a goldmine of actionable steps to enhance your site's search engine performance. Begin by focusing on creating well-crafted meta tags. These are snippets that tell search engines what your page is about, so make sure they're concise and relevant. Next, you'll want to add alt text to all images on your website. Alt text not only helps with SEO, but also enhances accessibility for users with screen readers. Take this opportunity to use descriptive language that clearly indicates what each image represents, further embedding those target keywords wherever it fits naturally. Another critical element on Wix's checklist is ensuring your site is mobile optimized. With a significant amount of web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's essential your site offers a seamless mobile experience. Ensure your layouts are responsive and that all images and text display correctly across different devices and screen sizes. Once you've gone through all the steps in the checklist, the next task is to submit your site's sitemap to Google Search Console. This submission is significant as it helps Google index your pages, allowing them to appear in search results. Simply head to Google Search Console and follow the prompts to add your sitemap. This step is key for improving your site's visibility. Finally, remember that SEO isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. To maintain and improve your website's ranking, regularly update your content with fresh, relevant information, and keep an eye on your site's performance using analytic tools. By being proactive and adapting to changes, you'll ensure that your website remains competitive and continues to attract traffic long-term.